everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the monthly challenge Look for Less that is always hosted by Yami from the Latina next door. And this month she chose Hailey from the farm and the Southern Belle as her co-host. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to participate in this challenge. Please visit the hostesses' channels and the playlist. I've decided I'm not going to tell a lot about the hostesses anymore because it's just my opinion, but please believe me, they are awesome. So judge by yourself, okay? The Look for Less is about finding a piece of decor that you like but probably can't afford or don't want to afford because they are really expensive and there's no reason for that. And try to recreate it spending less money. This month I chose this piece from Kirkland's. As you can see, it's wood case organizer, and it's really a piece of wood, rope, and some doorknobs or drawer knobs. And it retails by $34.99. I don't know about the shipping, and I think it's beautiful, but it's too expensive. Too expensive. So my daughter and my son-in-law provided me with this piece of wood they had at home, and I'm going to use this. I had these two knobs that, believe it or not, are the same that I used in the original piece. You can buy them from China. I think I pay $1 for each one of them. I was thinking of painting this black to match this one, but with my essential tremors and everything, I was going to ruin it. So I decided I'm going to use them in this color. And I only have two, and I needed four, but I have these two remaining from another project that I think are beautiful. So I'm going to do this project with these four knobs. This was the original color of the piece of wood. I wanted it to be darker, like this. So I used my beloved liquid shoe polish in brown this is from Family Dollar. I couldn't find it at Dollar Tree, but it's the same. You can find it at Dollar Tree. And it's great. I had to get the color you saw, I needed, I think, 3 or 4 coats. I started here with the first one, and as you can see, it's really easy. This is the second one, and then I added more. Okay, I need something. I don't want to paint the table. I'm looking around. Well, I'm going to use this paper because I need to turn this over. Oh, before that, after painting it, there are some remainings of hot glue here. When I got the color I wanted, I dry brushed it in white. And if you know how to dry brush, sorry, I can't speak today. You just use a little bit of paint and a very old, the older the better, paintbrush. You pick a little bit of paint and then you go over your piece like this. You see, I still have too much paint. The less paint the better, because you can always add more, but if you add too much in the beginning, it's hard to remove it, you know. So it's just a little bit. and then you get the effect that you're looking for. Let's put this here. So now it's just a matter of adding the knobs, and I'm going to use the Dollar Tree nautical rope for the hanging cord. I made marks where I want to place the knobs, and I'm going to use E6000. But, so I was going to do this, and this, and this, and this. But then I thought, I have a problem with negative spaces, so it was just, this was too empty. So I decided I wanted to add this welcome sign that is from Dollar Tree. I spray painted it white. This is the original color, it's galvanized. So to do that I have to move the knobs a little bit down. Then I'm going to remove this, but just for now I want to show you how it's going to look. So this is what I'm going to do. So let's start gluing the knobs. Okay, now everything is in place, so I'm going to add the cord for the hanging, and I'm going to add some knots so it will seem that the cord is passing through the wood. So I should have added the cord first, because now it's not easy. Let me see, this was from another project and still has some hot glue, but I want to use E6000 for this too. So let me see, how can I do this? Okay, yeah, I should have added this first, definitely, but no problem. So I'm going to have this here, eyeballing. Oh my god, this is not the right way to do this, but you would understand that I made a mistake and I'm trying to solve it as much as possible. Sorry. I think it's going to work. So now I'm going to add the knots here and here. So this will be finished. Okay. One done, one more to go. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I will leave it this way and then I will show you how it looks once the glue is dry, so I can move it. But by now you have the idea and you can compare it to the original So $35. I spent, let's say, $4 in the notes, like 30 cents, 33 cents in the welcome sign because you get 3 in a package, less than $1 in the rope. The piece of wood was free. Some, let's say, $1 in between paint and the liquid shoe polish and everything. So I think I didn't spend more than $5–6 in this project, and I'm really pleased on how it looks compared to the original one, mainly because I spent much less. So if you like this project, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to both hostesses. Please visit their channels and visit the playlist and leave some love and support to all the YouTubers that work so hard creating inspirational pieces for all of us. And thank you so much for watching. So much. Hope to see you in my next video, which is tomorrow with another challenge. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.